Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really great day today. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay and hit the subscribe button. And if you've been with me since day one, welcome back to my videos. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys of the May Yes Oh Yes monthly subscription. And for anyone who does not know, this monthly subscription is a beauty subscription where you receive 3 to 7 full-size beauty products for $14.99 a month. Yes Oh Yes was kind enough to reach out to me and provide me with a referral link. And if you use my referral link, you're able to save 10% off on your first month's purchase. And I will leave all of the information down in the description box as long as the coupon code that you will be using to receive the 10% off your first month. Okay? So without further ado, I'm not even going to ramble. I'm just going to get right into unboxing my May Yes Oh Yes monthly subscription. Okay? Off. So when I was on their Instagram, just scrolling through it just to see what I'm actually getting myself into, I did notice that a lot of the stuff on their page that they provide for their subscribers are brands that I have not heard of. Now at first I'm like, I don't know if I'm really interested in that, but then I started to think, like, you know what? This is a really good service to discover brand new and unheard of cosmetic lines and everything like that. So let me just put a disclaimer out there. No, this video is not sponsored by them. I did sign up with my own money, and the only thing is that they just gave me a coupon code and a referral link to share with you guys. So let me get started. Now the first thing that I will notice as I'm feeling in the package is that there is no card. I like receiving cards letting me know what I'm receiving, where I can purchase it, website, prices, how to use the product. Like, I look forward to those things, and in this box I do not feel it. I don't know if maybe mine is just missing one, but that's right off the bat, that's a no for me. Basically what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to research and Google to see if I can find any type of information on the products for you guys, and I will either link it here or down in the description box for you guys, okay? So the first thing that I see is, okay, it looks like it's a Smearproof eyeliner, and this is by, I'm definitely going to butcher this name, Sorme Treatment Cosmetics, and it's this Smearproof eyeliner right here, and this is in the color Teal 24. One thing I will say is I really don't like kohl or pencil type eyeliners. I like the ones that glide on because I feel like my eyes are really sensitive because they tear up so much. So I kind of like those eyeliners that glide on. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like this teal color, and I'm starting to get into playing with colors. Alright, and I will say it is creamy. It's not like that hard type of pencil, and I think that color is really pretty. It's like a tealish, more on the greenish side, but I think that color is really pretty. So the next thing that I feel in here, it would feel like it's another type of pencil, and I'm right. So it's this right here, and this is from Laritzy Cosmetics, and this is a lip pencil in the color Retro Red. So it's this right here. Okay. So if you wanted to order this lip pencil, you would go to Laritzy.com, and this lip pencil retails for $18, and it just says that it's a long wear formula that stays on so you can spend less time reapplying and more time doing whatever you want. Designed for shaping, lining, and filling in the lips, this pencil does it all. Creamy and pigmented enough to wear alone or as a base for perfectly defined lips, and that's what it looks like right there. And like I said, you can get this from Laritzy.com, and it retails for $18. The next thing that I feel in here, okay, it's this product right here, and this is Estate Do Me, and it's a baked highlighter powder, and this is in the color Raindrop. Now the one thing that I will say is I'm not really much of a fan of baked eyeshadows, baked highlighters, because I feel like they're not as pigmented. I feel like you would have to like scratch off that first layer just to get some type of pigment, but Okay, that's an interesting color. This is like a ice blue highlighter. Yeah, I'm not really sure how that will look on the skin, but ooh, as I'm rubbing it, it feels really, it doesn't feel like it's big. It feels kind of like chalky. Wow, that's pigmented. Like, do you guys see that? For a baked highlighter, that's nice. Okay, so this right here, and let's see. You can get this from estatecosmetics.com. And the Bake Highlighter in the color Raindrop retails for $10. And it says this is the perfect highlighter for an all-day glow. Swipe it on the high points of your face for a dewy, fresh look that will make you look radiant. Alright, now here comes the test. Let's swatch it for you guys. So let's see. Wow. Okay. So yeah, that looks pigmented. And it is very powdery. For me, I'm trying to blend it out. It's definitely like an ice blue color. I would not wear this on my face because, as you can see, that's like an intense highlighter. I would probably put this in my eyeshadow organizer because I feel like this would be a really pretty eyeshadow compared to a highlighter, but maybe if you put a little tiny bit on, because it feels like a little bit goes a long way, but I already swatched it on my hand and rubbed it in, and I still have pigment on my finger. So very, very interested to try that as a eyeshadow. Okay, let's see. The next thing that I see, alright, it's this right here. And this is from Cosmoholic, and this is in the color, okay, so there is no color. There's like some type of, I don't know what that is, sticker or like a silver sticker or mirror type thing, but there is no color name. And I don't know what color this is, so I'm going to look on the website real quick to see if I can, at least match it to something. Okay, so the closest that I think this color is called Passionate Peach. Now, that was very interesting. Let me see if you guys can see. So basically, let me see, I'm turning it this way. If you can see, there is like a light underneath here. Like, you see it? It's lighting up. That's very cool. Okay, I'm interested. Now, this looks like a coral color, so let me just swatch it for you guys. Okay, so this feels like a gloss to me. It's very sheer, and it's a little bit on the sticky side, but that is the color. As you can see, like it's more like a sheer peach kind of color or coral color. So let's see what the website says. And like I said, you can get this from Cosmoholic.com, and this is called Passionate Peach Liquid Lipstick. Me personally, I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't think that would be classified as a liquid lipstick. I would do it more as like a sheer gloss. But ooh, there's some good benefits that I see. So this is hyperallergenic. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E, jojoba, macadamia nut oils, green tea. Each lipstick has a built-in LED light and a mirror on the back. Oh, okay, so this is a mirror on the back, so you can apply the liquid lipstick anywhere. It says quick and easy application, long-lasting, non-dry and non-sticky formula. Guys, I'm sorry, but this is sticky. It's sticky. It's not one of those glosses that just glides on. It's sticky. Sorry, it's sticky. And it comes in 8 perfect shades that will complement any skin tone. It has a doe foot applicator that delivers intense pigment with precision for an expert finish in a single swipe. And it says it has a pleasant vanilla smell. I mean, it has a smell. I don't I wouldn't put it like vanilla as in like the Fenty Gloss vanilla, but it has some sort of kind of like a sweet but manufactured kind of scent. I can't explain it. It says it can be worn on its own or layered over lipstick, and it says it can be used as a blush. And this retails for $24.99. So you know what? I'm actually going to apply. There's a mirror in the back. I'm going to apply this over my lipstick that I have now, just to see how it, wears. So the lipstick that I had on was the Mama Star lip liner and lipstick from the Patrick Star collection. I will say this, it complements the color really well actually. It's sticky. It does have one of those formulas like it glides on, but for me I do consider it sticky, but I think this is a really pretty color, and I like it. I do like the fact that it has all of those great ingredients to hydrate my lips, because I do suffer from very chapped lips or dry lips. Even if I exfoliate, no matter what, my lips do dry. So I'm interested to see how this goes. I feel like I would wear this more as a lip topper. And last but not least, I see this right here. Alright, you can purchase this from Nomad Cosmetics, and what this is the Havana Intense Eyeshadow, and it's in the color Cohiba. Okay, and as I'm looking at the website, it is like it looks like a brown or a bronze kind of color. It says intense, but I'm not really sure if it's shimmery. So let's find out. And yes, I was right. This is like a brown copper color. It feels really nice and buttery. Ooh. Like, look at that. That looks really pretty. So I'm going to swatch this. Let's see. Ooh. Woo-hoo. That is intense. That is pretty. That's definitely pretty. I can definitely see myself wearing that. It is very smooth and creamy, and it just glided on, and that was one swipe, guys. That's one swatch. I'm down for it. This is smooth, rich, and super pigmented eyeshadow infused with papaya seed oil to help nourish skin and keep the color looking fresh and vibrant. Okay, so it says it's 4 times finer pigments for buttery feel and intense color payoff, which, one swatch, guys. One swatch. It's free of parabens and mineral oil, and it is PETA certified, cruelty-free, and vegan. And this retails for $12. And guys, I might have to look into this brand, because that right there was very, 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 very intense. I'm definitely going to do a makeup look with this, because I'm down for that formula, and I'm down for that pigment payoff. That's one swatch. So imagine building this color up. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you receive yes or yes, and if you received anything different. What did you like? What did you didn't like about this monthly subscription for the month of May? And don't forget to like the video. Okay, again, I will leave my referral link down in the description box below for you guys, so you can receive 10% off of your first box. And if you're interested in discovering new makeup brands, then I would definitely say this would be a really good choice for you guys. I'm actually thinking about replacing this with Ipsy. I think this is just a really good idea. For $14.99 a month, you can receive full-size items compared to $10 a month with Ipsy receiving travel size items. So definitely am interested to see what else they have in store. And also, guys, one thing that I did notice, I was on their Instagram and I already seen a sneak peek of their June box, and it will be a palette, and I will insert it right here so you guys can see. I'm not really sure of the brand that it's from. I just seen a picture, so I will leave all of that down below in the description box. So if you're interested, don't forget to click that link and join Yes Oh Yes. Alright, so I will see you guys in my very next video, and I hope you guys have a really great day. Bye.